A well-maintained brick home sitting on over an acre in an upscale neighborhood less than 5-minute drive to shopping. Featuring a split floor plan with cathedral ceilings, 3 bedrooms 2 full baths. Third bedroom does not have a closet. Recessed lighting in kitchen with pantry. Hardwood cabinets. Natural gas kitchen range, microwave, dishwasher and refrigerator remain. Surround sound 7.1 Onkyo system in living room will remain. Built-in shelving. Master bedroom with walk-in closet. Master bath with jet tub and separate walk-in shower with seat, second huge master closet. Guest bath walk-in shower. Laundry room with storage cabinet. 12 by 20 sunroom. Covered front porch. Attached double-door 2-car garage. Detached 1-car garage/storage/workshop with backside pool house and half bath. 18 by 36 inground pool with a 5-foot vinyl fence. Recently replaced pool covering. Motor replaced in 2019. Concrete picnic table remains. Extensive river rock and stone landscaping with concrete sidewalks. Large storage area in basement. Basement and crawl space were waterproofed by AAA Waterproofing with transferable lifetime guarantee. Concrete driveway. Less than 10-minute drive to Tellico Lake, 30-minute drive to Tellico River. Less than 45-minute drive to McGhee Tyson Airport. Hospital nearby. Pool furniture will not remain. Mirror and pool half bath will not remain.